Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. I just downloaded and got CorelDraw 2024. So if you don't have 2024, this won't do you any good, but it's tell you what's out there. I wasn't going to start making videos yet until I learned a little bit more. But even in the toolbar, the tool that stands out is I'm not even sure if I can pronounce it right, Painterly brush. It's Control J or just J on your keyboard. But it's pretty cool. It won't be much for my laser engravers, but there's a lot you can do with it. A bunch of brushes. It's a lot easier than any brush stroke that I've seen. You know, if you want to do stuff like that, look at that. And so far, my favorite one is this one right here. And I'm just going to show you how easy it is. Just take a line. I like using the 3-point curve line. And then get your Painterly brush and then go right here to select a brush. And the one I like so far is Silk Flower. I mean, look at that. So you've done that, and now it's actually transparent a little bit, so you can make it like 2 inches big. Takes it just a second because it's doing a lot, but look at that. I mean, looks like it's incredible what that can do. I mean, you put it, you can make it, and what's really cool and easy on it, you can make it any color you want just by right-clicking it is a line, so you right-click and make it a line and make it any color you want. And then, of course, if you print it on a dark shirt, let's see what it looks like under blue, object order, back of page. That's pretty outstanding. That's pretty cool. So look forward to some other videos and some of the other new tools inside of Corel 2024. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.